Uh, in this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to fix Gumroad login issues in 2026. Yeah, if you're having trouble signing in, stuck on the login page, or seeing errors, don't worry. This guide will help you get back into your account quickly because, honestly, login problems are one of the most common hurdles for creators and buyers alike. So first, check your credentials. Make sure your email address and password are entered correctly. Watch out for caps lock, extra spaces, or typos because even a small mistake can prevent access. Next, reset your password if needed. Yeah, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to set a new one. This usually resolves most login issues immediately. After that, check your internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can block login attempts. So reconnect your Wi-Fi, switch networks, or use a wired connection if possible. Also, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can interfere with authentication, so clearing it ensures your browser starts fresh and communicates correctly with Gumroad's servers. And try a different browser or device. So, if your current browser has extensions or settings causing conflicts, switching to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or trying a mobile device can often solve the problem. Finally, ensure Gumroad isn't experiencing downtime. Most of the time, following these steps fixes login issues, letting you access your account securely and without interruptions. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.